Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now at the device list click the Settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds. Right here we have a name, and near to the name here's pencil icon, and we need to tap on it. On some devices this icon located at the right top, and some Android phones have a line with a name, not this pencil icon, so then you need to tap at this line. Let's tap at the pencil icon, and right here write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. You can also remove some text if you need it. The most important is to click rename, or on some Android devices you have done or check mark, it depends. So I have a rename and I click at this button. We just save it, and as you can see right here we change this name. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!